In this video today we will check the health of hard disk of our laptop. To check health of our hard disk, first we will download a software from Google. Just type hard disk Sentinel free or hard disk Sentinel and click on this link. Here you will find some links. Just click on download and you will found a software downloaded in your download bar. I have already downloaded the software HD Sentinel Pro Portable. After downloading, we will open this folder and we will go to hdsentinel.exe. Just double click on it, allow permission. If it asks for registration key, just close it. It's showing hard disk health is 100% and performance of hard disk is also 100%. Both are excellent. It's also showing temperature of hard disk is 30 degree. Here you can also check the model of hard disk and serial number of hard disk without opening it. Just go to disk and go to short self test and select disk, selected disk only. Here it will take 2 minutes to complete the process. For short self test of hard disk, this process is checking hard disk thoroughly. Here you can find hard disk model and hard disk serial number. This test operation will take 2 minutes approximately. It's a free software you can download from Google to test your hard disk or to check hard disk model or to check hard disk serial number. Here status of my hard drive is running and no problems found. If there were any error or problem found on hard disk, here it will show us. It's about to complete the test and then it will show the result. Here the status of the hard disk is successfully completed and there is no error found. So you can check these things, and here also it will show you power on time 154 days, estimated remaining lifetime or your hard disk more than 1000 days, and it also showing us total start or stop count of hard disk is 27,786 till now. I hope you will like this video. Kindly subscribe my channel and like video. Thank you.